Hello everyone, welcome back to the homestead. Today I'm going to show you how we harvest our honey from the 2 hives we have in our backyard. Even the calmest of hives do not like it when you take their honey, so we always make sure that we fully suit up and protect ourselves. Opening up the first hive here, we were a little bit discouraged to see that there were not very many bees up top like there should have been, but upon further inspection we did find a little bit of chalk brood. Nothing really to be concerned about, but it does account for the low numbers in this particular hive. When we take the frames out of the hive, we brush off as many bees as we can, and then we put the frames into a cooler with a lid. This minimizes the amount of bees that come with us into the garage, which further minimizes the chance of anyone getting stung. With our harsh Wisconsin winters, it is really important for us to leave a lot of honey in the hives for the bees. So we really only take from the top boxes. There's 2 boxes that we leave behind, and those are full of honey. We try to aim for at least 60 to 80 pounds of honey, and to try to get them through the winter. We do not want to have to rebuy bees in the spring. Unfortunately, it is not the easiest job to overwinter hives, but we try every year. We do our best, and one of the biggest things is to leave them enough honey so they can survive the winter. We also do a varroa mite treatment on them in the fall to make sure that they are nice and strong to survive the winter. As soon as this treatment was done in 2 weeks, we also added probiotics to the hive, and that gives them a little bit of a boost, just kind of like with humans. When you have antibiotics, it's good to follow up with probiotics for good gut health. Bees need it too. Once we have brought in the frames that we are going to harvest, the next step is to remove the cappings from the honeycomb. This is the last step in the honey making process. The bees know when the honey has reached the perfect water content, and then they take a thin layer of beeswax and cover the honey. This protects it so it does not go bad, and we need to remove that capping in order to get the honey out of the comb. We are very blessed to have some friends that allow us to borrow their honey extractor. It makes this process go so much easier. All we need is a little elbow grease to get the centrifugal force going and the honey flowing. This is an excellent job for little ones. So how do we process our raw honey? Well, this is it. Just one pass through a layer of cheesecloth removes any beeswax or large particles, and then we're ready to bottle it. This year, out of our 2 hives, we were able to harvest around 80 pounds of beautiful raw honey. Thank you for joining us on the homestead today. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we will see you in the next one. Bye!